afternoon. What are you and Andy up to?
Listen, I don't have time for your madness again. Leave me alone, please.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pretend you just call us mad women. I'm just gonna pretend. Andy left around midday and it's 6 p.m. now. He's not back home. Where the hell did you people conspire to hide him? And then you return here to play on our intelligence. Like...
Losers are always lousy conspiracy theories. I'm not surprised.
How dare you? How dare you?
Very good. Yvonne, I am not going to say this again. Let me have my phone.
Or what?
I would not repeat this.
Shut it. Shut it. You want us to give you another second round of beating like the one we gave you earlier?
No, that one.
You want us to give you another round? Just say the word. Not so brave now, are you? Are you? If you... Near the phone. Near the phone now.
We should come close.
I will beat you blue and black. You will vomit that little bastard inside your womb. Near the phone! The craze. Craze to my middle name, the craze.
Trisha. Did you just threaten the child in my womb?
This one never see anything.
It
be like say you still a dream. You don't even understand what is happening. You never understand what they go on here. You're still jonesing. Let me tell you, you're in for it. Do you understand? Like right now, anything is possible with us. Nothing is out of bounds. Listen, let me tell you. If you want to get this phone, you better tell us where Andy is. Else, you're not getting it. Two, you're coming in for bigger trouble. We go show you pepper for you. Be like say you don't dey craze. You think that Yvonne? That Yvonne where you know before? Omo, better stand up and understand. Gajo, I am ready for you. I will show you. Nonsense. They round it like a crocodile here. See. Rubbish. Provide Andy. Don't try us. Nonsense.
Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle.
Honey, listen, you can't still be feeling this way after all I've told you about my resolve to call their bluff.
I heard everything you said. The confirmatory test you and I insisted on came out positive. These girls are carrying your babies. These are my friends. My friends of over 8 years. We shared houses, clothes, secrets, virtually everything. How could they do this to me? They betrayed me, they betrayed my trust, they conspired against my own happiness. Where did I go wrong? What did I do to them? Why would they do this to me?
Listen, honey, they betrayed me. They betrayed you. But the truth is, they failed. They failed because I will never marry any of them or recognize their babies as mine.
You sound like you haven't been hearing everything they have been saying. They threatened to sue you if we try to get married traditionally or in court without their consent. How on earth do you intend to pull that through? How?
I honestly don't know for now. I don't know yet, but all I know is that I will never, ever marry any of them. Alright? Baby, I love you.
Oh.
I love you. You're my choice. You will be the only mother of my children, baby.
It even breaks my heart the more to hear you say this. What love? If I don't say this, trust me, I would be lying to myself. I'm disappointed. How could you? If you were a little bit more responsible and circumspect, this wouldn't have happened. We wouldn't be here fighting over who's going to be your... Good.
Sorry, my bad. I'm sorry. I just want you to know that I love you so much. It's all my fault. I accept. I just want to tell you that throughout our lives, I will never disappoint you. It will never happen again, baby. Believe me. I mean, what else do I want? You're beautiful. You should believe me. You should love me like I love you. I'm sorry, baby. Hey, you are everything and everything is you. Have I told you that I have loved you before I met you? No? Okay. Come over here, babe.
The only reason I'm here is because I love you.
Thank you for loving me. I'm happy you do.
See, I don't. Everybody should respect his.
What are you talking about? Respect yourself and marry us. Respect yourself and marry 3 of us. Marry 3 of us. What is wrong with this? Come on, get out.
What is the problem?
I am warning you. You are going to marry 3 of us. You are going to marry 3 of us. He's not going to marry. He's going to marry 3 of us.
I'll slap you guys. I'll slap you. I'll slap you guys. I'll beat you up.
You want to see crazy? 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 You slap who you mad? You want to see crazy? You crazy? You mad? What did they do? You want to see crazy? You tell me what slap? You crazy? You want slap? So they want you for head? You crazy? You want to see crazy? You mad? You mad? Nonsense! Yes. If you like, you die now. And if you like, you die now. And you like, you die. What's it gonna send me? Nonsense. Rubbish. Hey.
You have killed him.
Come on, you have killed him.
At one end, you girls have killed.
Listen, you have killed him. I did not kill anybody. You are not killing anybody. I didn't kill anyone. You are the one that was pushing him. You were pushing him. Don't call my name, girl. Don't call my name. Rubbish. Get out. Come at
you killed my Oga. At one end, you killed my Oga. Today.
Jesus.
Boss. Boss. Hey, Ndo. Sorry. You stand.
Take me to the hospital.
Oh.
Take me to the hospital. Take me to hospital. I want to go to hospital.
Mayo.
I need a bed rest.
Sorry.
Bed rest. Oh.
Bros, what is going on? This is not what you told me about your parole. When you told me to pretend to be your gate man and help you watch your back in the home front. Ogin Nemezi.
Man, Greg, I know. I became silly and dropped my guard along the way, thinking I was having fun by lashing 3 friends at the same time. I never knew it would get critical at this stage of the parole. I never knew my thoughtlessness could get me into this kind of mess. I swear down.
So, what are you planning to do now?
Well, I pretended to have fainted because I wanted us to drive out and then talk. Listen, I need your advice. All my friends are so angry because of what I have done. Even Collins. What should I do?
Even Oga Collins? Oh, wow. Okay. Now, if you call the bluff of the other girls and marry only Sonia, wahala, they will surely raise such a scandal that will open your eyes about who you truly are. And the owner of the car and house they thought that belonged to you is. If that happens, Sonia will quickly divorce you and you will lose completely. But if you marry the three of them, you can smartly play them against one another. And then you cash out big time. You disappear for good.
Greg, what will I be using to play such smart bitches against one another? Tell me.
Their emotions. Yes. Their emotions and their greed and their desperation. Come on now. You na guy man. You don't learn again.
No, Greg, listen. How do I marry these three bitches at the same time without starting off this internet gossip? And everything will blow out of proportion. Yes, I'll lose at the end. Those bitches are too desperate, my brother.
Then insist on a white wedding. Yes. Insist on a white wedding as your condition for agreeing to marry them. But if they disagree, call off on all of them.
Right? Okay. No problems. Just drive the car.
To where?
My brother, let us go to somewhere cozy and cool off. Alright? Let's go.
F.O. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle. My body. One letter, 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 one letter. One liter, one liter.
Collins, you kept me waiting.
Apologies. I was trapped on traffic. I am sorry about that, but I'm here now. You said there is something you want us to discuss. I'm all ears.
Yes. Andy and the girls played into our hands today. The bitches put so much pressure on him that he was almost begging me to advise him on what to do next.
Really? You mean you didn't even do what we planned? That would make him come to you seeking for advice before he did? Wow.
He was so afraid and frustrated. He was almost begging me to advise him on what to do next. I told him everything you paid me to tell him.
So what did he say?
He agreed on the option to marry all of them at once. In fact, where he took me to Kulov, he told me all the details of his plans on what to do next. I was able to make it out here because he sent me to withdraw money from the ATM to pay for our drinks and the food. I would have called you on the phone and told you everything as we agreed. But you know, these girls and Andy are very desperate. They might have hacked into my phone to follow up with my conversations. So I just have to come here to tell you.
The hacking thing you said is 100% possible. So you have to go now. As for the details of the things he told you, keep it with yourself. I will get in contact with you later. Have an appointment to catch up with. Okay?
Okay.
You have to leave now.
Okay, thank you.
F.O. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my battle. My one liter, one liter, one liter, one liter, one liter.
Hi. You called us. Yeah?
Yes. I called you. Sit. Can you guys just stop this and sit? I called you people for what? Oh.
We are going to sit with
Stop.
you now.
Let's stay. Let's sleep on the side.
Come, what is the meaning of this now? Can you stop?
No, I'm not stopping. Are you not, man?
Sit.
Stay on
See
one
what?
leg. Let me stay on the other leg.
Why are you pushing me now?
Sit down now.
Jesus.
Let me stay on the other leg. Let me sit on the other leg.
Go. Sit down. Listen to me for once. I'm man of this house. My mom, what kind of nonsense is this? Sit down and listen to me. For the first time, I called a meeting for all of us to talk.
Oh, you called us for a meeting? Oh, that's great then. I'm sitting and listening to you, my darling.
And you think I'm going to sit on the same seat with
Oh,
you, idiot?
Who wants you to sit here? As long as you're not sitting there, that's fine by me. But once you sit with him, I'll sit with him too.
Thank you. While I was receiving treatment at the hospital, I started wondering, and I thought of everything that happens here in my house between you and I had to take a decision.
Oh, and I guess that decision is to throw these nitwits out of our home.
This girl still
Madam,
dream.
why are you so stingy with this penis?
stupid, yeah.
Why stingy coco?
You know she's such a joker.
Why are you becoming a stingy coco? Eh, Sonia? Why? Penis made you this stingy? Eh?
You want to know why? I am the stingy with this penis. Now let me make it clear to you, you baby bitch. My husband's penis is not a public toy. Even if it is, it's not for you too. Shameless whores. Listen to me and listen good. Get out of this place. I am warning you, I'm not going to say it again.
Wait, did she say hers?
She did.
Ah, Sonia. Sonia, you need to watch your tongue. Those who live in glass houses do not throw stones, Sonia.
Siolo, should they speak English?
Anyway, I'll act like I didn't hear that. Angel, Sonia, but you have to watch your tongue. Or...
Can you guys stop this? Stop this right now.
Share in this penis.
Share kill you. Shareholder. No. My penis is Aliko Dangote's refinery. You have shares.
Stockbroker.
A buyer. Meanwhile, I called all of you here so that we end this nonsense. Before you guys will tear my life and my reputation apart.
Honey,
What is this?
No, you need to understand that I...
Hey.
It's them!
It's them. Stop this blame game. I don't want it. Listen to me. You have heard me.
Yes.
I don't want it.
Yes.
Listen, I have decided to marry all of you at the same time one day.
Baby, can I touch you?
You try it.
Wait, what
Now
are you
you're
doing?
so
Listen, hold on, Sonia. Listen.
This is a joke. You're not serious, are you?
Sonia, I have made my decision. And if any of you does not want it, the door is open. Because I want to marry
The door is open. The door is open.
Come on, I don't
The door is open. The door
I have
is
said my own.
open. We love you too. The door is The door is open, baby.
Sorry, are we sorry?
Oh, are you sorry?
You two lousy idiots. Come and pick up your bags and leave this premises right now. Now! una think say una dey mad. Una think say una dey mad. See if una try me today, if I no run enter on my spirit, if I no see my spirit, I go run enter on my soul.
It be like say,
why don't you say get out of this place? It be like una dey craze.
Abeg come up for road.
Like I said, enough na enter here.
Come up for road.
Come up for which road?
You dey craze.
See, if I was you,
there's a craze to my name. You dey mad.
This one.
You dey craze.
What will this butterfly?
I will come on your teeth.
Can you stop this childishness? Eh? Stop it. See, I can tolerate anything you're doing, but whatever you think you're doing with me, you shouldn't be rubbing it on Sonia's face. Okay.
Hey,
I want to be left.
What is it?
Sit there, sit. Both of you should sit there.
Oh, okay, come on. It's fine, it's alright. Come on, say. It's cool.
Sit,
Come here,
Mama. Oh, what I clear? Oh, busu ono din so boss ya atu ime. Hey, I like him ka busu. Sonia, you sent for us, I beg.
Yes, you sent for us. No, I just want to say that's all. Hey, hold on. Hey, that boy they smoke. We don't just come on, slide. What they doing? Let's go. Sorry for the interruption. You sent for us and we're here right now.
Well, I've had a rethink about everything going on, and I have decided to back down.
Back down. Back down, like you mean leaving him for Trisha and I while you go away? Like forever?
You know, the thing is, I love Andy very much. That I'd rather share him with my greatest enemy than lose him. Fortunately, you girls are not my enemies. We've been friends for a very long time. We understand ourselves better. If we cooperate, ours will be a great home with Andy as our husband. Yes. I have decided to allow him marry the three of us as you wanted.
Sonia.
That's a joke.
You the winners. You the winners, Sonia.
Oh wait, hold on, calm down. Let's even be sure what she's saying. I think this is a joke. Oh no.
In fact, I want the three of you to pick any hotel or resort in this city, any hotel of your choice. I just want us to go there for the weekend. I mean, gist, laugh, you know, make merry, bring back our great friendship. You know, I think that would make us great co-wives. So what do you think?
Sure.
Hey, Sonia. Listen, I just want to say thank you for the decision. Thank you for looking out for me. May God bless you.
Amen. You too.
Okay. Sounds fair enough. Sounds real enough. So it's that a toast to us being co-wives?
Why don't we start with hugging to great friendship?
Okay then, it's a hug.
Great friendship.
Oh my God.
Stay one place. Stay one place.
Okay. Yeah, never mind. I got you, bro.
Okay. We going on holiday. We going on holiday. We going on holiday. We going on holiday.
Okay. It's time to go.
Handle that box of chairs.
Do you have to say it?
Of course, I have
my
to.
name.
Yes, it's not expensive.
Alright, so I think I should go in front. Right? Yeah?
What? Hey, hold on.
No, stop.
What do you mean no?
I am wife number 1, so I ought to be there.
hold on.
So
What
you
do
know,
you mean?
I made that you two should take a seat at the back.
Not
That's actually
true.
my seat.
That's not true. I'm sitting here. Oh, you know what? I'll just take the other side.
Like I said, we are going on a holiday in one of the resorts in town, yeah? So, take this. Listen, don't call me if there's no emergency.
Hey! Twale, Baba! Choi!
Okay. Great. Let me see it. You've been a very
give
good
me the
boy.
money. Give me the money.
If I slap you, if I slap.
Hey, no violence in my house.
So?
I want you to have fun.
Ah!
Alright, you
Thank
guys
you.
hurry up and get into the car.
Yeah.
Alright then, right here. Today is your lucky day. Where are you?
Hey, what are you doing?
Enter moto.
Help me.
Over. Yeah.
All right. Give me money, Ray.
Okay. What?
The hustle is real. So when I wake in the morning, the first thing
I hope none of them is suspecting anything.
No, come on. None of them is. We had so much fun at the beach yesterday that even if any of them had something in their mind, if they were suspecting anything, by now they would have evaporated it completely. I had to tell them that when I was going to my shop to handle something one of my managers couldn't handle. That was what I said to them before I came to you.
Beautiful. Beautiful. This is indeed a sensitive one. If not for Andy and for the respect I have for you, I wouldn't have involved myself in such a thing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Andy, even if he's not aware of everything that is going on, I'm very sure that he will be super duper grateful when he hears the whole story. You are indeed a very good friend.
Yes, and Andy has been a wonderful friend to me. Yes. The great party.
That's nothing to worry about. He's on our side 100%. Cost me 500k to buy his loyalty.
Yeah, that is nothing to compare with your peace, your joy, and your marital life.
So, you say we do it tomorrow?
Alright, I'll come to your house tomorrow and show you something.
Okay. Alright, that's fine.
Alright.
No problem.
Tomorrow then.
Okay. So, we'll see.
the hustle is real. So when I wake in the morning, the first thing
Sir, are you not done? Please come out so that we can leave, please.
Here is it. I found it exactly where the seer said they hid it.
Good God. I can't believe this. You mean my friends did this? These are people I have been friends with for years. These are people that I...
It's okay, it's okay. It's going to be neutralized so that you and Andy will have a happy marital life that you deserved. Let God handle the vengeance.
And God will definitely roast them alive for planning this wickedness against me.
Amen. He will.
I can't be... You know what? It's alright. Let's just go.
Right.
Calm down, ma. Calm down. Ma, no, calm down. So, are you sure of what you are telling me? So you watched Oga Collins die? Chini. Good God. Okay, so where are you now? Oh, okay, we are back to the resort with Oga and your friends. So, what will who? I mean, then let his corpse be taken to a decent place. I can hear you, ma. Me? Oh, okay, I'll see what I can do. I'll try my best. Yeah, I can hear you, ma. I can hear you. No, I'll act as if nothing happened. When we hear, ma, did I know anything happened? Okay, yes, ma. Oh. Thunder fire you there. Ile will not wag in for. Even Mokolo. So you ran away from the scene, and now you want me, Mubu Greg, to be in the scene now, to take care of cops. Nya ihe nek janu ma meli nya ba prison. Useless woman. No problem in Ghana. Anali. Let me go and use the money I have made from all this their greed and anyuku to better my life. Ndiala. Don't promise you. In Apuala. Me to come and take care of the cops. Get up on where get being. Onya. Onyozu. Muna Hozu. Useless set. Greedy set of people. Anadium. Useless people. Anadium.
Thank you for helping me to punish Andy as I wanted. Sonia, sorry I have to lie to you to get your cooperation. Wherever Osondo is, a charm must have left him. What a fun to stand by and watch the drama that will unfold when he returns to the country. Andy, hope you survive the storm that is coming. But if you don't survive it, good luck. May the devil in hell. Yes, you deserve help. Lazy Axel. I hate you, greedy.
Yeah.
It's obvious this guy is not around. You know what? Let me just go get the gates.
No, listen. There are some kind of low jobs that I would not want my queens to do at all.
Oh, really? Well, it depends on. What if your queen wants to open the gates for her king, your majesty?
No. This king here thinks otherwise. Listen, my majesties, I will do it. Why? Because I love you with all my heart.
Oh my God.
We love you.
This is actually becoming so much more fun than I ever dreamed. You're the best man.
Well, I'll see you soon. Let me open the gate.
My king, my warrior. Trisha, you're just some.
Greg!
Hold it! Jesus! Who are you?
Put your hands up.
Put my hands up!
Your hands up!
In my own house? What kind of... Jesus!
Jesus, will you just keep quiet?
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
Keep quiet! Are you out of mind?
What's going on? Stop this!
Get into the compound. Into the compound. What's going on? Get inside! Hey, inside.
What's going on now?
Inside.
Wait, officer, how can you come in here and embarrass our fiancé who owns this house and even threaten to arrest us? What do you mean?
Yes!
Are you out of your mind?
Hey! Oh no! It is all of you that is out of the senses. Jesus, for allowing this useless and ungrateful man to suspend you from your senses and make all of you ashamed to woman.
Amumo. What's on? Jesus, when did you come back from the
side? Thunder fired at your mouth for what you did to me. One day, after all I did for you, this is what I get in return.
What's on the boot one?
Honey?
Been playing.
What's going on? What's happening? Who is this bombastic element that is insulting you in your own house? And you wouldn't say anything?
My dear.
Right.
This idiot is my friend.
And so?
This idiot, this bombastic element is the owner of this house. He's the owner of the cars. You guys, everything that you guys have been cruising around with.
Hey!
Hey, Uchimo.
Ise.
Hi! Chimo, something. Look at me.
Envy. I can't believe you did this to me. One day I helped you. I picked you up from the dust. One day Tual is here to do this to me.
Sincerely, I'm sorry.
Officer, you know the reason you came in here with me. Not to arrest anybody, but to flush these urchins out of my compound. Now listen to me. But if you see any of them close to my gate, I dare you to shoot them to death. And I will pay for whatever consequence that comes out of this. I will also pay to promote the officer that will do the job. Take this sense out.
So you don't have one.
Move it!
I admit that we have been dwelling in a house of greed and moral bankruptcy since our school days. I admit that we have done so many despicable things, all in the name of making money. I admit that we have overstepped our boundaries over the years. You know what I am finding difficult to accept is how we willingly jumped into a well of absolute stupidity and hopelessly drowned in it without any of us using our senses. How did that happen? How can 3 smart girls be this stupid? Yvonne, Trisha, I need to understand, how did this happen?
You know, what came over us is the question I've been asking myself over and over and over again. We went overboard with our greediness and our stupidity to compete against each other over who? Over a nobody, a low life. I ask myself, is it jazz? Shina Juju? Were we under a spell we didn't know?
Yes. 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 Yes, we were under a spell. In fact, we were cursed. We were under a spell of greed and lust. Just look at this. The same thing that made us is the same thing that has destroyed us. How did this happen? How? God. And now, all we can do is sit here and wallow in self-pity, complain, cry over how we have become award-winning fools. That's what we are now, award-winning fools. Gosh. Award-winning fools indeed. At our age, with all the experiences, exposures, how did we get to this point? Shamelessly pregnant for a wretched vagabond, a lousy scammer. Jesus, I feel like flogging myself to death right now. I just... Oh.
What a mighty fall from the almighty squad. You know, there's a saying, the fastest lane in the journey of life is the wrong lane. Social medias have carried our shameful story with Andy. All the blogs, even vloggers, like, how do we show our face to our families, our friends? I don't know.
And did God punish you?
Amen. Amen.
And did God will punish you. And you will not die well. You will not die well. You will die. Yvonne, shut up. You will die. Yvonne, shut up. Shut up, you fool. Yvonne, you are a fool. You are a big, big fool. Gosh. We just cooked ourselves like a tasty meal and fed him on a platter of gold. We fed a lout, a compound lout, a useless man.
3 square meals.
Gosh!
Yes. Just like that, for nothing. God will punish you, Andy. God will punish you, generation.
How could I fail so miserably all over again? How could I have been so careless to the point of taking it for granted that Collins will be angry enough to go to any length just to get back at me after I messed up his side of the deal we had? He even went as far as buying over Greg and scamming Sonia in the process. Foolish Sonia. You played along with him without ever mentioning it to me. And you claim you loved me. Obviously, you girls were after the same thing as I was in all of this unmerited fame and riches. We are just victims of our own greed and avarice, and I'm the biggest loser after all. The damn bitches have their fat bank account and investment to return to, and I have nothing, not even a place to call my own. After Greg spilled everything I did to Sundu, including procuring a child with Collins to charm him out of his house and assets, none of my friends wants to pick my call. Least of all see me again, completely down, dry, and out. Or am I? Yes, I am. But I still have 3 rich ladies carrying my babies. Yes, I deserve their care at least as their baby's father. Even a sperm donor deserves palimony payments. Yes, my baby mamas are rich and I'm not. I am qualified for huge palimony payments from them.
Hey, you are not surprised seeing me here?
No, we are not. Why would we?
More like we were expecting you.
Praying that you would come. Because, all of us have a part of you inside of us.
So that means you're ready to listen to me.
Listen, whatever it is you want to talk about, I don't find necessary, or we don't find necessary. We know the whole story. It's all over social media.
Sit down. Sit down.
I'm not in the mood to drink anything. I'm not interested. I came here to negotiate with you girls.
Negotiate with us?
Yes, like some kind of palimony as your baby's dad. Hey, you guys are rich now. You guys are rich. Richer than I am. You know? You guys are not angry with what I just said?
Not at all, we are not. But, anyway, go on. Go ahead.
Anyways, I am not interested in the babies, right? You can do with them whatever you wish. If you want to kill or if you want to keep or all I want is pay me and I will disappear for good.
Sorry if I understand you correctly. You want us to pay you for donating the sperm that formed the babies we are carrying. Is that it?
Well, if you put it like that, that works. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so how much are we looking at? What do you want? How much?
Because you are my baby mamas, I can manage 10 million naira each. Yeah, that is like 30 million jealousies.
Okay, 10 million is not bad.
No, I would have raised it to 20 million. But I have sympathy onto my baby mamas. So that's why I just said 10 million. You understand?
It's okay. We don't have a problem with that. You deserve the money.
Yeah. Come on, because they're expensive.
at least for a job well done. What's gonna happen is that we're gonna go upstairs right now. We need to get our token, babes. We need to make the transfer to him. He did us some good at least.
Yeah, and we're paying him off, right?
So that he can just go.
Ask it, shall be given unto you by Okuchukuna Akwanso. 10 million is not bad. At least, okay, Bagumbo. Ago. Yeah, more of man. Expensive, Odogu. 10 million each. Expensive. Chui.
Alright.
Let's get him money. So relax. You sure you don't want something to drink?
No.
Alright. We'll be back in a bit.
Okay. Always good if you want to do rich things.
So you don't want something to drink?
I'm good. Just get the token and make a transfer.
That's fine.
So give you one for so room bokola tabaka so rock aliwi moka. That's the format. No. You have 10 million now. You go for my tick. Bulia will drive it in front of us on those gates bar. So when you bona the idea I'm after from Okuki when I'm on a sea but somewhere I feel and gown at this town. Kaimaziaka. Give him 30 million. You brought about okay, you roll always. More. My baza na show nazo abashot eben paginoba. Here. Olusabaru DVD kana from na big TV. Ana akuka elekere ko owubo my TBT.
Now the hustle